In this video, you'll learn how to choose between Phantom Wallet and MetaMask. This guide will help you understand the key differences and features of both wallets, allowing you to make an informed decision based on your needs. First, consider the blockchain compatibility of each wallet. Phantom Wallet is primarily designed for the Solana blockchain, making it a suitable choice for users who frequently engage with Solana-based applications. In contrast, MetaMask supports Ethereum and other Ethereum-compatible networks, such as Binance Smart Chain and Avalanche. If you plan to interact with Ethereum-based apps, MetaMask may be the better option. Next, evaluate the user interface and experience. Phantom Wallet offers a streamlined and user-friendly interface tailored for Solana users. It provides easy access to your assets and dapps within the Solana ecosystem. MetaMask, while also user-friendly, may seem more complex due to its support for various networks and features. Take the time to explore both interfaces to determine which one feels more intuitive for your personal preferences. Another important aspect to consider is the security features offered by each wallet. Phantom Wallet utilizes a secure key management system, allowing users to control their private keys directly. MetaMask also emphasizes security, using a non-custodial approach where users maintain control over their keys. Review the specific security measures each wallet implements, such as two-factor authentication or hardware wallet compatibility, to assess which aligns with your security needs. Additionally, think about the community and support resources available for each wallet. Phantom Wallet has a growing community among Solana users with increasing documentation and support channels. MetaMask, being more established, has a larger community and extensive resources, including tutorials and forums. If community support is important to you, consider which wallet offers better resources for troubleshooting and guidance. Finally, consider the transaction fees and speed associated with each wallet. Phantom Wallet typically benefits from lower transaction fees and faster confirmation times due to Solana's high throughput. On the other hand, MetaMask transaction fees can vary significantly depending on network congestion on Ethereum. Be mindful of these factors as they can impact your overall experience with each wallet. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.